Hello, I am Chris Menard, and I actually made a mistake in one of my videos. Not that it was wrong, but it was the title of the video. A lot of people complained about it. So I've been doing a lot of Copilot videos, and this is Copilot in Excel. My first few videos had 35 or 36 records. Not a lot of records to be testing Copilot with. So the video I made recently said, will Copilot work with lots of data? And I had just over 1,000 records. And I got a lot of people saying, that is not a lot of records, and I agree with them. So here we go. I have over 90,000 records. I'm going to use Copilot on these 90,000 records. So this would apply if you were a CPA, an accountant, doing data analysis, an administrative professional. You have probably lots and lots of data, very similar to what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and dive in right now. So I'm inside my data, not required, but just to show you how many records I have in my table. I'm going to do equals count A in cell L1. I'm going to select customer number. It's telling you it's table 1 customer number, 90,135 records. Click back in my data. Here we go. Select Copilot. Copilot appears. I'm going to actually start off with a real easy one. Notice that state is column E. Let's just do this one. Sort by state A to Z. That is the prompt box where I typed. Here is send. Copilot came back and it said it is done. I can look at column E. Notice that the arrow is pointing up, which is the filter arrow, so it is sorting by state A to Z. That one was a pass. Let's try something else. Let's try a little conditional formatting. I'm going to use column I, which is FY24. Misspelled the word background. I don't care. Here's send. So in the prompt box, highlight any number in FY24 under 1,000 in a green background. It comes back and says done. I am just looking in there and it appears to work. Let's give it a quick test. I'm going to go to cell I4, make that 952. Perfect, it went green. Control Z to undo. The real test though is to go to conditional formatting and hit manage rules. Cell value less than 1,000, green. Perfect. Just so you know this, I'm not doing it now, but I wrote 3 conditional formattings one time in the prompt box and it got it correct with no issues at all. Let's try one now using last one. So far this is working with my 90,000 records. Let's try some formulas. I want to do both the dollar difference and the percentage difference at the same time. This is a fairly new Copilot feature. You used to only be able to do one formula at a time. Now you can do multiple. So here we go. Let's see what Copilot gave us. First of all, I typed in the prompt box, show the dollar difference and percentage difference from FY23 to FY24 in 2 columns. It came back first with the dollar difference, showing me FY24 minus FY23. Perfect. I could see the explanation if I wanted to. And then down below it, it did the percentage difference, and that is the correct formula. And then it displays in column K the dollar difference, and over in column L the percentage difference. Let's select insert column, but there's print preview when I mouse over insert columns. When I click it, it actually does it. Let's give it a quick test. I'm going to go to the top here. Control home took me to the top. The dollar difference 200 to 400 is 200, and that is a 100% increase right there. And the next one is a $50 increase. 50 divided by 200 is 25%. Working perfectly. So I'm going to say now, Copilot can handle lots of data because I have over 90,000 records. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in learning more about Copilot, I have a Copilot training course online. Take it whenever you want. Also have Teams, Excel, and OneNote available online. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.